Okay, recording.
So here we start in the initial configuration of 0, 0, 0, 0, and then we send the robot to negative 3 pi over 5, pi over 4 for joint 2, and negative pi over 3 for joint 3. And as we can see, the robot is trying to get to the final configuration.
Wait, careful for the stick behind. The stick's about to fall out.
This is so annoying. Unfortunately, the obstacles were not placed the same way they're placed in the simulation. And, I mean, we can see that the robot
Let me turn it off.
eventually gets to the position.
What the?
But this is just not working. And now, if we look at the
Alright.
actual simulation, we can see that the robot does indeed reach the final configuration with a very small mean squared error. So you can see right here, this is the robot, and the final position is right there. So it moves up, goes by the first obstacle, then turns right, gets close to the second obstacle, realizes,
And it never touches it.
never touches it because there's a repulsive field on that joint,
Oh.
as you can see, and then it just moves forward to the final configuration right here. And the mean squared error is 2.835. Yeah, unfortunately on the robot the obstacle wasn't placed in the right position, and it indeed should be a little bit lower.
Or an alternative interpretation could be maybe obstacle is placed correct, but the robot is not calibrated correctly.
Yeah, that is
Either way.
also valid. And maybe the width of the obstacle is not the exact same as the width of the obstacle in the simulation too. Something to consider.